one of the things that hold a lot of people back from being able to do anything online is the technical side of things. Quite often, people get stuck or bogged down on technical issues and they don't move forward because those things have a mental block on their mind. They tend to think, well, this is getting too hard. I don't know if I can do this. So therefore, creating things like websites and all that sort of stuff becomes too daunting for them and they can't move forward. But in today's video, we're going to be looking at the best free AI website builder that I've found online so far. Okay, if you want to learn a little bit more about that, stick around to the end. Hey, I'm Henry and I'm from Product Creation Formula. Here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. So just to let you know that very shortly, we are about to hit 10,000 subs. Now, if you could help us out with that, that'd be really awesome. And the way you can do that is by smashing the like button, as well as subscribing and also hitting the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. All right, guys, let's go check it out. Here we are in a website builder called 𝗤𝗂𝗧. So it's HOCOOS. Now, if I mispronounce that, forgive me. But anyway, it is an AI website builder, as you can see right here. It's really, really easy to do and really super simple to get into. Now, the first thing we need to do is probably have a look at the pricing. I mean, if you wanted to be able to create a website and you wanted to do it fairly quickly and easily, this is the way to go. I just signed in earlier for the first time, and I have to say it was super easy to do. Basically, I had to just fill in a few little bit of information, choose what I wanted to do, and it created the website for me. And I'll show you the website in just a minute. But before we do that, let's go and have a quick look at the pricing. We're going to click over here. Now, as we go down here, we can have a look. You can start off for free, as you can see, and you get free website hosting, booking system limited, blogs, no AI blogging, 15 image uploads, and 20 AI content generations. Whereas if you're going to be going, if you're going to go premium, you can also go $15 a month, free website hosting, online payments, 600,000 stock images, marketing integration, unlimited image uploads, massive amounts of AI, custom emails, and email marketing. And that's all there is for that one. But we can also have a look at the yearly. For yearly, it's $150 a year. So it's a really, really simple pricing program. It's one price. I don't actually have an affiliate link for this, but I will leave a link in the description down below for you. So let's go and have a look at the website that I've created. So this is the website that I've created. I've made sure it was a bit of a dark theme to make it a bit easier on your eyes. And you can scroll down and have a quick look at what it looks like. Now, it does have various pages. For example, you've got over here, you've got your home page, then you've got your about page or about us page. And you can go through here and have a quick look at what's here. You can go to your services. And I didn't write any of this. This was all written by the AI. Nothing here was written by me. So that makes it super easy and super simple. So you go to contact us, and of course they've got the contact form that you put in there. Then you have your testimonials. And I created this page here, and that was really super easy. All I had to do is hit add new items here, and it created it for me. So let's go and have a look at how we actually sign up to this. Now, you might go, I know how to sign up forms. You know, this one's a little bit different. But let's go and have a quick look. So we're going to start off for free. We're going to go here. Of course, when you first sign up, you're going to need to actually put your email address in. But because I've already got an account, it's going to just log me straight in and allow me to be able to start a new website. Okay, it's going to ask you a few questions. First one, what category best describes your website? Purpose, store, service, portfolio, blog. So we're going to go over here to course, online or offline. Then you go over here, and I'm just going to scroll down and have a quick look at what we've got here. Online courses, just there. So you click on that, and then you can hit continue. Then it gives us the next question. Personalize your website by selecting the service you wish to offer. So I'm going to go video tutorial and quizzes and exams and online learning resources. So we can click on that. Now tell us what you want to do with your website. This will help us create the tools and pages you need. Okay, so we're going to go new customers, and we're going to be having sell products. Maybe, yeah, we can sell products and collect testimonials. That's good. Those three will do. And get bookings, perhaps. No, we won't get bookings. We'll just leave it at that. I'm choosing not to go to the blog because it doesn't write the AI blog for you. So if it wrote AI blog posts for me, I would do it myself. Okay, so tell us where your business is physically based, like a store address or the area you service. such as region or city. In this particular case, online business only. So what do you want your business to be called? I'm going to call this one PCF, as in Product Creation Formula. We can go continue. To highlight 3 unique aspects of your business, we will generate more customized content based on your selection. I don't have a loyalties program, so I'll get rid of that. Affordable prices, easy navigation, and exceptional customer service will do. How would you like your website visitors to contact you? Well, that's easy. I'm going to just continue with the website contact form. You could also do email or also phone, but in my case, it's just going to be the website contact form. And there it goes. Now what it's going to do is it's going to create it, but it's going to give us some palettes and options we can choose for over here. And we can choose to go to the darker theme if we wish to. And let's have a quick look at what we've got here, by the way. You might also choose a different font. I'm not a big fan of that particular font. Okay, that's nice. And we can also go over here to this one here, or this one here, or this one here. So you can choose the different colors, you can choose the different fonts, you can choose the different themes, and you also have different styles that you can choose from. So we're going to check out the second style. You got top level courses, and of course with that you can also choose the color theme if you wish to. And you can go with whatever one you want. Scroll through and have a look at what they offer you. So let's go and have a look at style 3, because we want easy navigation, so that means having it already across the palette. So you got here, oh look at that, that looks really nice. Except I'm not a big fan of the actual font. So get rid of the font. That's nice, I like that. You can scroll through, have a bit of a look around. I like orange, as you know. But also we can have a look over here, or over here, or over here. I think I might stick with the orange actually, or the first one, on style 3. So all we have to do now is create my website. And it's going to now think about it, create the website for you. And the best part about it is it's also going to create all the pages and everything in there. Now you can edit whatever you want if you wish to, being aware that you don't have to stick with everything they do. And if you don't like what they've done, you can always get the AI to rewrite it for you, or you can write it yourself if you want to. Okay, so let's have a quick look around. Okay, so you got your option to be able to change your logo if you wish to. You have your home, you got your about us, and as you can see, you can edit all of this by hitting that little pencil icon. You got your services, contact us, testimonial, and store. If you don't want something, for example, in my case, the store, don't really want a store, I'm just going to get rid of that. And yes, I'm sure I want to get rid of that. Now, if I want to be able to add a page, for example, all I have to do is go click over here. And now all I have to do is go add new page. And we can now choose a page we want to add. I'm going to choose this particular page, and then we're going to now hit save. Now, it's now going to create a new page for me. Which one is it? Okay, so I don't really see where the new page is, but that's okay. I'll try it again. Hit select. Oh, here we are. So I wonder if it's got something here I can use over here. For example, I want to be able to put a course page there. Okay, so I might put resources. That'll do. Click on the resources, and we will put, actually put down here videos. That's good. We'll put videos here. And we want to be able to make it so it's just like a course. So we might want to be able to put maybe 1 video per page. Something like that would be nice. We now have the video page coming up, and there you have it. As I said before, you can always change other things around if you want to. Add a page if you want to. And there we are. We've got the About Us 1, which I can't see here. It should be there somewhere. You can also choose other things as well. So have a look at this section. You can choose that, or you can choose store. If you wish to add a store. I don't particularly wish to add a store, so I'm going to get rid of that. Go back to dashboard. And you can have a look at the design as well. You can change the design if you wish to. Click on that. And you can choose different palettes if you want to. And you can also choose a favicon. Now, a favicon, in case you're wondering, is the icon you see up here. That little icon just there is the favicon. And you can upload your own if you wish to. So that it looks like, so that you can brand it to your branding. Now you can upgrade that if you wish to. Now also too, you can view the website by clicking on that there, and that allows you to be able to see what you are choosing to do. And this is what the website will look like. And of course you can change the logo. So let's go back over here to this one, and we will choose to change the logo. So let's go here. Now we can choose to do it this way. We can, if we wish to, choose to use this section here and just use text. Now I'm just going to go over here. Oops, daisy. Go over here, go over the top of that, PCF. And then all I have to do is click here, and it will then put PCF up there, all ready to go. Okay guys, that is 𝗬𝗂𝗧𝘂𝗧𝘂𝗧𝗂. If you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button, as well as subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing, and also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of Heko's as a website builder. Now, also, just so you know, that right here is a video I believe you might like. Down here is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And right here is an image of my head. Now if you click on that or poke me in the forehead with your finger, you'll be able to subscribe. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching and bye for now.